Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we're unboxing the iPad 9th generation. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Okay, let's check out what's inside. There is of course an iPad, and Apple have generously actually included not only a USB-C to Lightning cable, but also USB-C power adapter, unlike for their new iPhone 13s, which if you're interested in seeing the unboxing, you can check out those videos for the iPhone 13 Pro Max unboxings on our channel. So anyway, back to the iPad. So when it comes to the colour finish, there are only two options to choose from. And these vary quite substantially again to the colour selection that you get with the iPhone. I've opted to get this iPad in space grey, but if you're not a fan of the darker colour, then Apple also offers a lighter silver finish, which you might prefer. And similarly, there are only two choices when it comes to storage capacity. You can either go for the 64 gig at £319 or the 256 gig top of the range model at £459, depending on your budget. The iPad itself doesn't feel too heavy. According to Apple, it weighs just under half a kilo. For any friends out there trying to convert that to imperial units, don't worry, I've got you covered. It's just over a pound. In terms of the technical spec, you get a 10.2-inch Retina display and Apple's A13 Bionic chip, not the A15 chip. You also get an 8-megapixel wide camera and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera. But with that said, you're limited to Touch ID, as there does not seem to be any Face ID options. Thanks for checking out the video, and please remember to like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel.